Okay, so that's connected and that's good to go. And there's a little gap right here where the cable comes out. And then also on your case, whether you've got the plastic one or this hardened aluminum one, there's a little rubber plug you'll want to take out, and that's where this cord will feed out of once the lid's back on. Now you'll see, and I'm going to pull away the bottom from here for a second, you'll see we've got our connection here. What we're going to do is we're going to take our blue wire and feed it through this little rubber grommet. So what you want to do is make a little bit of a gap so you can feed it through. It's a good thing that it's a tight connection, that way you don't have to worry about weather or any water getting in. So as you can see now, the blue wire is now fed through. We're going to tap power. Now you'll see there's two red power lines here going in. It doesn't matter which one you use. So you've got your tap, take the gray plug and fit that around one of the red power lines in this existing plug. I usually put it about halfway in, about here. That way it shouldn't foul with any of the other pieces. Take your connector, your tap, and then screw it back down onto this gray plug, and you'll see that it should pierce that red line, and screw it in firmly. It should pierce that red line and make a connection. There. Now, the blue line then comes in through the top of the other end, the red end. It comes in and just screws right in place.